Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier and more beautiful. Today, we're going to talk about the Saviland Clear Acrylic Powder, the best clear powder coat for all your nail needs. If you're into acrylic nails, whether you're a beginner or a professional, this large 5.29 ounces jar of Saviland Clear Acrylic Powder is a game changer. It's designed to help you create smooth, professional-looking nails right at home. This acrylic powder is the perfect foundation for nail extension, French manicures, nail carving, and more. It's incredibly easy to use, and the best part is, you don't even need a nail lamp for curing. This powder air dries quickly, making it a fantastic choice for those who want to avoid UV light exposure. One of the things that sets this acrylic powder apart is its high-quality formulation. Made with non-toxic, odor-free ingredients, it's gentle on your nails and ensures a safe, long-lasting manicure. Once applied, the powder creates nails that are durable and smooth, with a beautiful, natural gloss that can last for up to 28 days. Unlike some acrylic powders, this one doesn't yellow over time, and it resists bubbles, leaving you with clear, flawless nails every time. The powder's fine texture makes it easy to work with, whether you're creating intricate nail designs or simply extending your nails. It's strong, yet flexible, so your nails will not easily break or chip. And with this large capacity of 5.29 ounces, you'll have plenty of powder to work with, making it ideal for repeated use, whether you're creating nails for yourself or for clients. Saviland Clear Acrylic Powder is beginner-friendly, meaning it's perfect for those just starting with acrylic nails. The fast air drying feature and lack of need for a nail lamp make it a stress-free experience. Plus, if you're someone who likes to mix and match colors, this clear powder can be easily mixed with other powders to create custom designs. Whether you're practicing your nail art skills at home or offering professional nail services, Saviland's Clear Acrylic Powder is a must-have in your collection. It's practical, high quality, and provides beautiful results every time. If you're ready to take your nail game to the next level, this acrylic powder is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this.